Hello everyone, today say wow, big tractor moving, big tractor, wow, so good, a John Deere, I don't know what number, and you see the turn back over there. Back over there, yeah, so good with this kind of tractor. And now he will came here, okay. Now I will move and follow him. Follow him, moving, follow him. He will come here, I guess he will come here. Yeah, I'm waiting for him from here. Put the tool down over there. Wow, over there. He still put the tool down. Put the tool down over there. Still with the tune down. Wow. Still with the tune down over there, huh? With the tune down over there. Let's see. Let's see, where are you? Or a little duck from here. So maybe, wow, now he will move. He will move near me. Don't worry. Came here. I'm waiting for him. Came here and waiting for him. He will back him here. A little duck. Bigger or better. Wow, he came. Beautiful. Okay, now I can near him. Let me see. Beautiful. Okay. Over there, he will turn left or right. Left. Put the tool down. Từ đâu rồi? Thêm here. Waiting for you. Wow. So good. Put the thing up and moving. Put it there. Moving to be there and came here. Moving now for the time. Time to zoom in. Beautiful. zooming. Put it down. Wow, beautiful. Over there. Same here. Time to moving. Run. Running. Rescue. Follow him. Back the tool. Very good. Back. Back and run. Back. Back here. Wow. He moved over there. He moved over there. Where? Ah, he back here. Back here, more easier for him. More easier for him. Run there. Oh, good. Zooming, follow him. Don't worry. I have powerful tractor and I have powerful camera. Yeah, you see. Wow, beautiful. Back. We're back here. You see. Wow. Back a little. Back a little and running. You see, run with a black smoke. So heavy job. Don't worry. I will follow him. Don't worry. Follow him. Don't worry. I will follow him. Over there. You see. Follow him. He moved over there. Wow. He done good job. Now he back. A little. Come here. Thanks you everyone for watching. my video. See you in next video in my channel.